In today's video, I'm going to give you a detailed tutorial on the jogg.ai. So this is its deal page for the lifetime deal. If you want to check it out, the link will be given in the description. With this AI tool, you can turn your products into the video ads, something like this. Let me play this shoe ad for you.
Struggling with heavy shoes during workouts left my feet sore and tired. I discovered Aught Pair sneakers while searching for lightweight, breathable options online. The breathable mesh upper promised unmatched comfort and style. These sneakers transform my workouts, making every step feel effortless. Ready to elevate your performance with ultimate comfort?
Isn't this ad is super exciting with the effects, with the tone and the sound effects, all those stuff. So right now what you can do is it is super easy to create your ad for the product. All you need your URL from the product, whether it can be your Amazon product, Shopify, HT, whatever the platform is available for your ad. You need simply the link. For example, I am going to turning this chair into the ad for now. So I have just copied the link from this Amazon page. Now let me go to jogg.ai, simply paste the URL for the product, click on the analyze the URL. Now it is analyzing the URL and getting all the images from the amazon.com. So it will take few seconds. Till then we have to wait. And we got all the assets here. You can check it out. I got all the images, I got even the promo videos, and now simply I have to click here on the confirm. Here is our product name and the product description, and here is all the media library process. Okay, now what we have to do, simply click here on the next button and we are ready, good to go to creating the ad for this product. Now based on this description and the images, it is going to generate the script for us, so that will be the used to generating and talked in the video. So now it is asking me the expect ratio, whether it's the 9:16 or 16:9, whatever the select you want here. Okay, and the video length I will go with the 30 seconds, and after that it is asking me target audience. Then the language, let's go with the next. Here I got 4 scripts here. Okay, this is for the light marketing, this is database, this is discovery based, and this is the story time. So I will go with the story time because stories more sell. Okay, now let's click on the next button. Here it is asking me start with AI or the select from the template. I will go with the select from the template and see which kind of template is suitable for me. So let me select. Okay, this one looks good here because right now this is for the Halloween occasion, so I think this will looks good. Let me click here on the render video. Let's click on the submit. Okay, and now my project is start processing. It took 2 minutes and my video is ready. So let me play it for you.
Ever tried gaming on a chair that feels like a medieval throne? I did once. My back still sends me hate mail. Then I discovered a chair with Bluetooth speakers and a footrest. Imagine reclining at 160 degrees while your game soundtrack surrounds you. Adjustable armrests? My elbows threw a party. The G-Tracing chair, where comfort meets concert level sound. Now my gaming throne is fit for a king or a pro gamer.
Okay, this ad is really amazing. And this tool or AI that is creating or generating this ad is super exciting. So let me talk about this tool. This is jogg.ai, and right now it is available on the app Sumo, recently added, starting from the just $69. What you can do, it can create engaging video ads for you, for your products within minutes with the help of AI. All you need to add the link. This one-time payment is this super valuable. That's why I suggest get its lifetime deal. The link will be given in the description, and that's all for today's video I want to talk it about here.